I don't know who was walking who on that one. Yesterday morning, let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans are made, put an end to you. Walked out this morning, then I wrote down the song. I can't remember who to send it to. And I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Well, I've been walking my mind to an easy time, and my back's turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it can turn your head around. And there's hours of time on the telephone lines to talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and the flying machines and all the pieces on the ground. But I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. And I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand, and I just can't make it any other way. But I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around now. I thought I'd see you, fire and rain. Little JT, yes.